Bacon. Hi guys, so for today, we're here at Drizzled Chicken sa kanilang Maginhawa branch. Ito yung menu nila. This cheese. We're going to try this newest product. Yeah. Bacon. Nakikita niyo kung gaano kalaki yung chicken. Mas malaki pa sa face ko. Snow cheese. Ang laki. Look guys. Different branch. So what are you waiting for? Visit na dito sa Drizzled Chicken dahil silang masasabi ko. Prove to kay Danny!